Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Bar Replay in GoCharting. To get started, open GoCharting and head to the Trading Hub. This is the main area where you can access the charting interface and tools needed for market analysis. If you are new to the platform, this is a good place to begin because it gives you direct access to the workspace used for chart review and replay features. Once you are in the Trading Hub, click on Launch GoCharting Free. This will open the charting terminal where you can interact with price charts and use the replay function. If the page takes a moment to load, just wait until the chart is fully visible before moving on. It is always easier to use replay when the full chart and toolbar have loaded properly. Now look toward the upper part of your screen and click on the replay button. This button activates Bar Replay mode, which allows you to simulate past market movement as if it were happening live. This can be especially useful for practicing analysis, reviewing setups, or testing how you would respond to different price actions without using real-time data. After replay mode is enabled, locate the point on the chart where you want the replay to begin. Take a moment here to choose your starting area carefully. For example, you may want to begin before a major breakout, trend reversal, or consolidation pattern so you can observe how the market develops from that point. Once you have found the location, double-click there, just as indicated on the screen. This tells GoCharting where the replay should start. When that is done, click the play button to start the replay. The chart will begin moving forward from the point you selected, letting you study each bar as it unfolds. This is helpful if you want to practice reading market structure candle by candle instead of seeing the full outcome in advance. As a quick tip, make sure you choose a clear starting point on the chart so your replay session is easier to follow. It can also help to zoom in enough to clearly see the candles before you begin. That way you can focus on the price action and get more value from the exercise. And that is how to use Bar Replay in GoCharting. Follow these steps anytime you want to review historical price movement in a more hands-on and practical way.